How I started my YouTube channel with $22 and you can too. Now, this all started by actually a fluke accident. So it was, let me pull this up. My first video ever which was this one, Chunky Glitter Tumbler Tutorial. This was a horrible quality video that I did. I filmed it in portrait mode, and I was trying to show people how to make a chunky glitter tumbler. I had no idea how to edit. I didn't want to be on camera. I didn't want my face. It was horrible, horrible quality. To this day, this video has gotten 6,000 views on it and 66 likes, and I can't believe it. They deserve every bit of these 11 thumbs down because it was horrible. The reason that I made this video is not with the intention of starting a YouTube channel. I just happened to be at home one night and I was making this tumbler, and I thought, you know, I am going to record what I'm doing because this might help somebody else, and I'm going to put it on YouTube. So I took my phone and I literally had it duct taped to a candle holder across from me as I was making this video. Well, shortly after I did that video, I started to make a few more videos because I was really into the Cricut and Cricut design space. I had gotten a vinyl cutter earlier that year, and I was really addicted. So I started making some craft videos on how to apply heat transfer vinyl to awkward spaces by using a flat iron, how to make, you know, a glitter makeup holder with polyacrylic. I don't even have a thumbnail on this. You know, so I did quite a few videos, how to personalize a store-bought hand soap bottles with Goo Gone. And so basically that was a video I did on how to take the labels off of store-bought hand soap bottles, and then you can apply your own decal to it. So it just so happened I had a friend who was having a baby shower, and she was having a girl, and she wanted hand soap bottles that said "It's a girl" in the bathrooms. So I made those. So I recorded those as well. Well, after I started doing some research and had done a few videos, you know, and I didn't have a microphone or anything. I came across an article about YouTube and how they had just come out with, and this was right when I started in like January of 2018. And I came across an article that YouTube said they were, you know, changing their policies, and I kept coming across videos about people who were angry. Their channels were getting ready to get demonetized, and that YouTube was coming up starting February 20th of 2018. You had to have 4,000 watch hours and also 1,000 subscribers in order for your channel to be monetized with ads for YouTube. Well, then it became a challenge for me. So I started making more and more videos. Well, I started thinking, you know, what is my true passion? So I started making videos on the design skills and things that I was doing that I had already been doing for a while, and I had been using iPicky.com for quite a while. So, you know, I started to do videos on that, and so, you know, I've got these are all of my playlists here. So these are just all, you know, of my videos. And one of my most watched videos, and I don't know why, is the one, let me find it. It might be under, I have done so many videos, and I feel that I should be so much further along than what I am. And I probably would be if I was on camera more. but it's really hard to be on camera because most of my videos are screencasted tutorials. So, you know, that has a lot to do with that. But anyway, one of my, actually I can go up here and find it because somebody just made a comment on it. It was this video right here. Nope, that one wasn't it either. Okay, so to this day, this seems to be my #1 watched video. And this is a video, and I've learned so much since then. I've gotten 12,000 views on it, 65 comments, 529 likes on it, and it's how to make and sell printables and instant downloads for Etsy. So I don't know how in the world that video got so many views. It continues to be my #1 video, and you know, so I just wanted to tell you that whatever it is that you are into, I don't care what it is. It can be cooking, or you can be into fly fishing, or whatever your passion is. If your passion is how to make your own makeup, you know, or whatever your passion is, you start a YouTube channel on that and you go all in, and I can assure you, you will become an expert in that area. So back to how I got started for $22. So once I got started making some videos, I realized that the sound quality was horrible, okay? And I went to Amazon.com, and this is the microphone that I purchased for $22. And this actually plugs into my laptop, and I can even plug this into like my phone. I've got two of them. I've got one that I can plug into my phone, and I've got one that I can plug into my laptop. Now, my 17-year-old son took one of mine, and I had to repurchase this item again, and it shows you purchased this item on November 25th, 2018. So I had to repurchase it again because I had no idea what he did. So this is a lavalier microphone, and it's pretty decent. It's not the best quality in the world, but it's pretty decent, and it clips right onto my shirt. So I highly recommend doing that. The other thing that I started, now if you go back to my older videos, you're going to see this. I use Screencast-O-Matic to screen record my videos. Now, in order to get the logo off of there, I had to pay $18, and that was for the entire year. So to me, that was nothing. I couldn't believe it was only $18. I should have upgraded a lot sooner. So if you go back to my older videos, you will see this logo on the bottom of my videos. Now the logo is off because I did pay the $18 per year to get that on there. So the $22 is what I spent on, or the $18. So $22 is what I started out with, and then later on I invested another $18. So my point here is that to start a YouTube channel, you do not need to have anything expensive. Now, I do highly recommend that you get a microphone. And whether you're doing this on, you know, if you're doing live videos where you are on camera or whatever, you want to make sure you have a microphone. Because if not, the sound of your videos. So what does it take to have a YouTube channel? Really, it doesn't take a lot of money. You can start absolutely free if you want to, and then you can work your way up and get better equipment. So I already had a laptop. I already had a phone. So I do plan on getting on camera this year in 2019 to do some videos. The other thing too is when you are making a YouTube channel, please don't copy somebody else's channel. Okay, don't go through their videos and copy them, you know, verbatim, because you just don't want to do that. Now, it's going to be kind of hard not to, because there's a lot of competitors out there. I know it's kind of like one of my favorite mentors is Sunny Lenarduzzi. I have been watching her for a long time, okay? And I really love her channel. Now, she is all about YouTube, and she's all about how to make money off of YouTube. So I have been following her for a long time. Now, I have noticed that she'll make a video, and I've actually seen her competitors make a video similar to hers, and to me, that's just tacky. You need to come up with your own way and your own methods and things like that, because people are going to catch on, you know, whenever they see those things. So you need to word it however you want to word it, and you want to do that differently. So, you know, don't copy. You want to be authentic. You want to be you. You know, so my goal in 2019 is to grow my channel. And in order to grow my channel, I'm going to need to get on camera more. Another thing you're going to need to start a YouTube channel is a clear, concise voice, okay? Nobody wants to listen to this. Go here. Blah. Click here. You need to be excited. You need to be a people person. You need to have energetic and clear, concise voice. Now, I'm not saying that I'm perfect, because you'll hear several times in my videos where I have a bad habit of saying, you know, and I also say, So, but regardless, I still have a clear, concise voice. So that's something that does not cost anything, is you have a clear, concise voice. You are going to bore people to death if you have a monotone voice. So I actually enjoy public speaking, things like that. So I'm not afraid at all to get on here and do these videos. So, you know, back to my channel. And I also wanted to tell you about something that's kind of helped me out a whole lot. And it's TubeBuddy. And it's helped me a lot with keywords. Now, right now I have the free plan. I have not yet invested in upgrading, you know, to do that. Also, my channel is monetized now. You can tell I'm not making a lot right now. This is just a small amount. Right now, my revenue is at $220.81 so far for this month. Now, this is going to go up a little bit, and then I always get paid on the 21st of every month, and it goes automatically into my checking account. So once you get the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, you can apply to have your channel monetized. Now, YouTube can decide whether or not to monetize you or not. Just because you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers doesn't mean they're going to monetize you. If you have a boring voice, or if your channel does not have good educational or good quality content, they may not monetize your channel. Okay, I can't speak for them and what they do. So I'm really happy, and I did this video today because I hit 4,000 subscribers this morning. I woke up to 4,000 subscribers. Last night, before I went to sleep, it was at 3,999. And I was thinking, oh, surely to goodness I'll wake up to 4,000. And sure enough, I did. Okay, so right now I'm in the beta. And I'm going to click over here to Creator Studio Classic. Just because right now I'm still trying to figure out their new beta program. And I'm going to explain what TubeBuddy is. Okay, so I have found TubeBuddy to be very useful. And look, I've just gained 3 more subscribers just in the time we've done this video. Okay, so TubeBuddy, if I go here to my video manager, TubeBuddy is a Chrome extension. You have to actually get that in there. And once you do that, it's going to be right here on your videos. So for example, it's going to give you ideas on what to put for keywords. So before I even had TubeBuddy, I don't think I was doing too bad in the keyword search area. So this tells me right here, like for this video, I put PicMonkey features. This tells me I'm ranking number 10 for that. Right here, new PicMonkey, this tells me that I'm ranking 19 for that. I usually put my name in here as a keyword search, and it tells me I'm ranking number 2 for that because a lot of people will actually show me. So it'll show you recommended tags like Etsy printables, Etsy printable business. So if you wanted to put, you know, how to make or work at home ideas, it's probably going to tell you to put like work at home ideas for stay at home moms, you know, or something like that. So TubeBuddy is something I highly recommend. It is a Chrome extension, and right now I only have the free version, but for everything I type in here, so if I wanted to type, you know, graphic design for beginners, let's see what it does. Graphic design for beginners. And then it gives me some other ideas. Graphic design for t-shirts, graphic design for kids, and it has these shaded out because I have not yet upgraded. But I do plan on upgrading to the paid version of TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy has really helped me. Also, I've gone over, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. You can only have a maximum of 500 characters for your tags, and I take full advantage of that. So I've got in here like Etsy printable, Etsy passive income, Etsy instant download, you know, and then things that pertain to the video, digital designing tutorial, how to make passive income, things like that, graphic design. Now this is probably not a good keyword here. If I pull this up, it's probably going to tell me, here we go, graphic design, it's telling me this is in the poor category. So if I do graphic design for beginners, that brings it up a little bit more, but still not a whole lot. So that's why I love TubeBuddy, is it tells you right here like where your keywords are falling. Okay, so like if I click right here on PicMonkey features, it's telling me here it's almost in, it's still saying fair, but it's very close to being in the good category. Okay, so you know, I can click on that one, and then a lot of people do search for me by name. I've seen that before. So when I click on that one, and I don't know why that one's showing poor, I'm trying to find one that actually shows, yeah, for some reason this one is showing even better. So, you know, they're kind of showing in the fair category, but I am still getting views, and that's something I'm still working on. Okay, so I'm not a perfectionist here, and I'm still learning myself. So I just wanted to share this with you. If you do, you can get this microphone, and I am not an Amazon affiliate. I tried doing that a while back, and I did not have very much luck with it, but I'm going to try to start doing that again here very soon. So if you just go to Amazon and type in lavalier microphone, you have several options. You just want to make sure that it's compatible with your phone, your tablet, or your laptop, computer, whatever it is that you're using. So I hope this was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I am trying to grow, and I appreciate your support so much. Thanks, everyone, and you have a wonderful day.